Hey guys, I've often said when it comes to cartridge razors, you have Gillette up at the top, and then you have a quiet second in Schick. Well, the fine folks at Schick have started to take a page out of the Gillette playbook by being gimmicky. Here's a new gimmick. This is a new branded, new carton design for Schick's Hydro Dry Skin. It's smart, the packaging. Very, very nice. It's something new for the eye to see. When you're walking around in the pharmacy and you see a new package, pops out at you. But this is beautifully done. Now, it's in this recycled paper box. So you can recycle the paper box. Recyclable plastic tray inside. So it's good to the environment. That's another big thing today. But let's talk about Hydro Dry Skin. 5 blades with 2-hour moisturizing and Japanese Rice Bran Oil. Designed for maximum comfort, keeps skin moisturized for 2 hours, and it has the flip back trimmer. Beautiful. This review is coming up. Let's unbox it and take a look. Easy to get at these new products, guys. Here we have the recyclable tray and the box. There's an extra cartridge in there for your fun. Beautifully designed handle. Got the nice Hydro logo there. 5 blades of fun. And the patented gel pods, which offer 2 full hours of moisturization after the shave. What's nice about this is you have a flex or a pivot here, and you also have a pivot up top. So the top pivots and this pivots. And you can also lock this part here if you don't want it to pivot as much. It's a nice, got some good heft to it, very well designed. There's lots of rubber here, so it's not slippy. You have a firm grip. And you have this pull back precision trimmer, which allows that top blade access to the nooks and crannies. Very, very nice. Again, the Hydro Dry Skin 5-blade razor. Review coming soon. It's coming soon, guys. Make sure you come back to the channel. Subscribe. Send comments along, like, subscribe. You know the drill. Now I'm looking at this packaging. Here's the recyclable tray. So you have the extra cart there. You have the handle. And then there's another slot here. It's almost like they were going to give you 2 carts, but then some bean counter somewhere along the way said,
No, we can't give them 2 carts. Take a cart out.
You could have had 3 for the price of 2. I'm blaming the bean counters. I'll see you clowns next time. Keep pushing play. Now roll the music.